La 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 la, it's time to jump off this big high cliff into the stone. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Off! E. Ow, it hurty. Ow. I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm a bird! I got hammer-rated. What's up, guys? I'm playing Broken Bones 2, and I jumped off a cliff. And I literally almost died. Very epic indeed.
I just uploaded my video onto YouTube, and then the file got deleted.
I got concussed and nothing happens to my screen.
Concussion?
Yeah, I got concussed but nothing happened to my screen, it just said it. I dislocated my hand.
It went really, really blurry, and I got like 3 brain damages.
You can only get one though. No, that's a least week. I got concussed.
It's a concussion.
It already happened, so it's past tense. So it's called concussed. I got $33 from jumping off a cliff. Imagine if this is how you get money in real life.
Just send people off cliffs.
And breaking literally all your bones. And killing yourself. I just got brain damaged.
Epic.
I hate that because everything comes really bright. And then eventually normal. And that's on YouTube too, so that's going to be really annoying for the boys.
No, not
Baby.
New level. No, 5 minutes till I can use fire again.
I got concussed. I'm rolling down a cliff. Owie, owie, ow.
I'm gonna make it down to the water. That never happens. Oh no, tree. Yes, slide down, my little child.
You went in the water. You realise that's a bad thing?
Why?
Because it doesn't damage you. It makes you float. Oxygen makes you float.
Each time it happens to me, I just think, yes, I can feel again.
I'll be doing this 24/7 if you got money for this. And you somehow survived.
Just pushing random people off cliffs.
But how do you get purple Broken Bones? Like, I've played this game for such a long time, I never got purple one.
Like purple dots.
Oh, you meant purple dots.
Yeah, I said like a million years ago.
That's dislocations. It doesn't mean you broke it. I get crap tons of them. I got 6.
I usually get 1 or 2.
I dislocated my neck once, I think. In this game, not in real life. I concussed myself. Bing bong, bing bing, bing bing, bang. Oh no.
Single team got angry at Ned.
Yeah. That was funny. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't throw you out the classroom.
'Cause you'll have to fill up the paperwork.
Next second. I didn't have to. They should make like, what's the word? I don't know. Scrapes.
Scrapes.
Something like that. Because you scrape along the grass. That does nothing. You got concussed.
I never get concussed. I should been in my head more often. I just got another concussion.
I hit a tree.
I hate trees.
This is weird stick thing when I go to HACCP class or science, and it has this little ball on it, and I think it's a beehive or a wasp nest or something like that. I almost crushed it by accident. I don't want to know what had happened.
I'm almost halfway and getting up to level 8.
When this video reached 6 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm ending it. So, I'm gonna jump off a cliff and break my neck. Whee! That's so much fun! It hurt so much. Owie! I got Hayman-graded. I want a knife. Flynn?
Yeah.
Do you remember the Jeffrey video where he's like, hey Dad, look at my knife?
No, I'm gonna send you a great video.
Well, the video's about to end, guys. So, thank you for watching. You gave me like $2,532 million once. No, I'm joking. But you don't give me money, I kill you. I'm joking. Bye. The video's exact